1, 2, 3, 4. Welcome to another ukulele lesson. Today we're going to learn a 12-bar blues riff, the Beatles' Birthday. Tablatures are going to be shared right here on the screen with you. If you'd like to get a printable version, you can support this channel and get all kinds of tabs and goodies at the link in the description below. Thanks so much for joining me. Let's get right into the jam. I plan to offer a new Beatles lesson every month. Leave a comment down below and let me know the one song you want me to do for next month's lesson. The lesson will be a beginner-friendly jam that we can all enjoy. So leave a comment down below, let me know what tune you want me to teach, and be sure to vote up other people's choices as well. The original version is in the key of A, and what we'll be doing essentially is picking around the chords. Notice how when I play the riff, and then I follow it with the chords. We start by fingering an A major chord, and I like to pluck with my thumb. And then strum the chord. Now, before we move on, you'll notice you could play this in 3 different ways. You could play it straight. Slowly, of course, so the hand feels relaxed and you can learn it effectively. The other way to do it is to decorate it. You see in the tablature that little diagonal line, that means to slide into the note with a grace note. That adds a tasty effect. Some people call this a fake bend. You can also bend the string. It's a little easier to bend the strings when we move to the next position. And right now let's move to that second chord. It's a D major formation up here, barred at the 5th fret. Your 3rd finger and 2nd finger are here at the 7th and the 6th fret. And what we're doing is once again just picking around the chord. Again, you can play it 3 ways. You can play it straight, and then strum the chord. Or you can do that fake bend, really cool effect. Now, after I strum the chord, I'm totally relaxing the hand so I can get a muted percussive sound. Right now, if you'd like, you could try bending it. Now there's only one more chord we need, and good news, it's the same exact pattern. You just take the D major shape, move it up 1, 2 frets, and now you're outlining the E chord. Let's put it all together on your own. You can, of course, speed this up. Feel free to rewind the video, check the chapter stamps in the description below so you can go back and forth between the different sections. Let's jam together. 1, 2, 3, go! You say it's your birthday. It's my birthday too, yeah. You say it's your birthday. We're gonna have a good time. Say it's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. And by the time you play that much, guaranteed everybody's gonna be singing along with you. Try speeding it up on your own. First step, of course, is just to be able to outline the lick, play it in a relaxed way, make sure your hand feels soft. Thank you for watching. Make sure you leave a comment down below with what Beatles tune you want me to teach. There will be bonus content for patrons. There will be all kinds of goodies coming to you each and every month right here at Ukulele Zen. Thanks so much for joining me. Let's jam.